Hey YouTube, as you can see, we've got it out of the box, and what we're going to do is show you how easy it is to take this from the box and start streaming in Streamlabs OBS. So I got a spot on my desk. Let's get ready. I'm using like a child's desk, and when I say that, I don't mean it's little. It was marketed to children, but I like to keep it tight. All right, there we go. So I already kind of checked it out, moved things around just a little. All you need is the power cable. Just kind of twist it all up. Here we go. Plugged in. I'm sure I could have done a better job of that. And maybe Lonnie can help me. North, south. Which way am I going? Am I way off?
Oh. South.
South.
Up. Just a little. Oh, right. Just to your right. Oh, down. Here, how about I just do that?
Oh, I think I got it.
You got it.
I had a thought about my secretary and popped it right in.
All right.
All right, next. I got another cable. I'll come around to help out. Oh, I'll let Lonnie do it.
I got it.
I'll pass it through. Here we go. That is our USB-C. And it goes right in the back. Probably don't even have to hold it. This thing is so sturdy. The build quality just is at the highest standard.
It's in.
And we're in. All right, come back around here where we've got our USB. And we're just going to pop it in. The computer should, I don't know how this goes in. Upside down. There we go.
Oh, you got your blue light.
Oh my God, look at that. It just came right on. Okay. Let's see if something's happening. There's a notification of the turret. It basically just says he's setting it up. I didn't even click anything. And now it says that it's ready to go. Let's see if that's how true that is. Over to here. Now we're in Streamlabs. What we want to do first is change our webcam. Here we go. So hit the gear, and it's not in the list. It could be because this is running.
Try adding a new source.
I'm just going to reload it real quick. All right. And right webcam. Oh, and look, it showed up. Okay, so we could see our picture. Let's see what happens. Boom. Hey, there you are.
That's me. Don't be filming me.
Nice. And
I'm filming you.
If we could see where there is a light on here. It's right here. So we're going to flip the button on. Oh, you can see that it is coming on. Oh, you can look on the screen.
Your zebra and happening.
Oh, back up. Yeah, look at that. See, though? We're better looking on its camera.
Okay, cool.
And then we also have filters for this, so you can get that warm yellow or that soft blue. Your choice. Right. And then, I guess we're still using the microphone. And I'm sure it's ready too. I don't know where to change that. I bet I can find it in here.
Or change it here on the microphone.
I want to change. Wait, no, that's the speaker. Whoops, I hit the wrong thing. Audio. Is it this one? There it is. Done. Boom, and you can see we already lost a lot of ambient noise that was making the microphone go crazy. Pull it in. Testing 1, 2.
Oh, yep, really.
Yep, you can definitely tell now that the mic is on. It looks so cool on the screen, like you could see the name of it the whole time. Okay, and there you have it. It was literally, it kind of was easier than I even thought it was going to be. So I think, great Christmas gift if you know a streamer or anyone else. I say get out and buy this thing. All right, well, there you have it. What we think about it. We love it. And if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe. We're going to be shooting more. I'm about to stream RuneScape. I haven't played a computer game in years, but that's going down. RuneScape 3, I believe they're calling it. So maybe I'll see you online. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Popcorn player.